I love me a good visual on the basics to stop a nosebleed because a lot of people want to lean back and pinch the bone and not the soft area. Listen, my kid gets the occasional nosebleed and those little blood vessels in the nose bleed a lot, like a scene out of a horror movie. But after watching this video, you will handle them like a pro. And why do kids get nosebleeds? Nosebleeds in kids are common because their nose lining is delicate and packed with very tiny blood vessels. Dry air or nose picking, yep, we know they do it, can irritate those vessels. Allergies, colds, or even sneezing too hard can trigger bleeding. Hot weather, cold weather, or sudden temperature changes can dry out their nasal passages. And this is how to stop the bleeding the right way. Don't tilt their head back because this can cause blood to go down their throat, which does not taste good. Lean forward so the blood drains out. Pinch the soft part of the nose, not the bone, for at least 10 minutes. Have them breathe through their mouth and use a distraction like talking to them and reassuring them if they're scared. My son hates getting nosebleeds and talking him through really helps. Apply a cold compress to the nose bridge to slow the bleeding and do not put them in a hot shower. Warmth dilates blood vessels and will be a bloody mess. Here's when to worry about a nosebleed. Call your doctor if the bleeding lasts more than 20 minutes despite pinching in the right way. Yes, remember to pinch the soft spot. Your child is losing a lot of blood or feeling dizzy. They get frequent nosebleeds more than 1 to 2 times a week. There's bleeding from other places like gums or easy bruising, which could point to a clotting issue. And the nosebleed happened after a head injury. And here's how you can prevent the nosebleed. Use a humidifier in their room at night to prevent dryness, especially if they're prone to them overnight. Saline spray or a thin layer of petroleum jelly just at the opening. Do not stick anything high up. And remember to trim those fingernails. Less nose picking can mean fewer nosebleeds and positively reinforce when they're not picking their nose. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, save, and follow Pete's Doc Talk for more on pediatric health, development, and parenting.